Fabia, sumigsag. Fabia to Cortez to number 4, Querido sa 3. Bam! Querido! Dalong pass here, 2 versus 1. To Pinamecus, pasok yan kay Bisaya. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Palarong Pambansa 2024 para sa laban ng Region 1 versus Davao Region. For the jump ball, here we go. First ball possession, Davao Region, number 9 to the corner. Pull up jet 3, bang! First blood. Good rebound here for Davao Region and easy bucket. And number 8, Fabia, Querido sa 3. Off the mark, battle for rebound here. Kicks out, Querido fakes, drives, fast. Oh, floater is good. And here's number 14, Team Davao. 1 versus 2, Sumegway. Fires at the middle, number 14 is good. Querido, long pass, the cross pass. Number 12 drives, the floater shot. Bucket is good. Naagawan, Querido, tuloy-tuloy, lays up, easy bucket. Fabia, ibababa ang bola para sa kupunan ng Region 1. Number 8 to number 12 here, stops, launches 3. Bang! 3 points. 0-0 to number 1. Pass back, number 0 here for Team Davao. Crosses the mid lane, corner pass, floater shot. No good, battle for rebound, rebound and a put back. Bucket is good. For the inbound here, Fabia. Pass it to number 12. Stops, fakes. Floater shot, number 7. Bucket for 2. Here's Team Davao, number 14. Nagmamadali, crosses west. Side step, slide. Ang gandang finish, no? And number 12 here for Team Region 1, looking for the receiver, pass to the middle, number 7, cross pass there, stop, pull up J, Fabia, bucket is good. Nagbabadali, oh, libre, number 18, bucket is good. And Fabia here, pass to the middle, cross pass there. And number 15, Cortez to number 12, drives, kicks on the corner, Fabia, pass, cross pass, drive, starts, pass inside, buys, basket, and 1. Bitawan. At naagaw dito, chest pass, lays up, lumilipad, bucket is good. For the inbound here, holding the ball. Pa-oop, naagawan, nagmamadali dito si number 12. Pumabitin, supalpal. Dito, number 14, behind the back dribble. And setting the play pass to the corner, attacks, number 29 kicks out, number 14 fires a 3 off the target, rebound, put back shot, and rebound again, put back again, and the lucky bounce. Fabia to number 13, Tuets, launch a 3, bang, number 12, 3 points. And here's Team Davao, the bounce pass to the middle, number 9. Cross pass, number 14. Behind the back dribble. Number 9 fires a 3. Bang! Nothing but net. 2 minutes left on the first quarter. Pass to the middle. Number 13. Reverse layup. Supalpal. At ito, nakuha na naman ni number 14 ng Team Davao. No look pass their fake. Scratch fire. Bucket is good. 1 minute. 15 seconds left on the first quarter. Number 4 stops. Pass to the middle. Fakes. No basket. 24 seconds violation. And pass to the corner. And creating space. Drives. Fires. Supalpal lang inabot. Pass break ngayon. For the lead. Plays. Lead by 1. Good. Pass break ngayon. A chance to add the lead. And a bucket for 2. 7 minutes, 20 seconds left on the second quarter. Pass their fakes, clutch, supalpal. And here's Team Davao, number 14 to number 24. Sumisigsag, spin move, kicks out, fakes, drive, side step, supalpal. And recovers, kicks to number 19. pass to the middle, na libre, Baguette for 2. 5 minutes, 40 seconds on the second quarter. Querido holds the ball. Dribbling the ball, di diskarte, aatake, lays up, supalpal. Number 14 for Team Davao, pass to number 19. Drives at the middle, tuloy-tuloy sa loob, pinasa sa league. Oh, panggandang pasa. The connect. Omar for the inbound, pass to number 19. Number 19, crossover move, kicks out. And here's Puda, pass back number 19, launches 3, bam! 3 points! 19, pass to number 14, Puda. Pass to number 19 again. Ang gandang pasa ulit! And the connection again. Number 10, the finisher. And here's number 15, Cortez. Cortez, pass to number 7. Kakaldag dito, bumalik. Naagawan. Puda. Puda sumisigsag. Pass to number 12. Kicks out, Puda, drive, stops, pass to the middle. Ang gandang pasa ulit. Pasok na pasok. And number 19 for Team Davao, tuloy-tuloy. Pinasa na naman kay number 10 of Douglas again for number 10. And here's number 8, crossover, Fabia. Fabia to Querido. Querido. Naagawan ulit. Number 0-0 dito. Tuloy-tuloy. Tinignan pa yung gwardya. Grabe, binit. Here's Bisaya. Bisaya nagmamadali. Pinasa pero naagawan. And here you go, 2 on 2. Stops, fakes, drives, bounce pass inside. Fabia fakes off the glass. Baguette's good. Bisaya for the inbound. Naagawan. Kerto. Fabia lays. Easy, Baguette. Dalong pass here. 2 versus 1. 2 on 2. Pinamekus. Pasok yan kay Bisaya. Cortez for 3. Bang! 3 points, Cortez. And here's Bisaya. Pass to the corner. Open for 3. Bang! The answer. Fabia. Fabia. For Team Region 1. Number 12. Sumegway. Pass inside, ang gandang pasa. Pigs, Kaldag. For hook shot. Put back shot. Wala pa rin. Put back again of the glass. Baguette for 2. Pinusutan yung dalawa. Tatlo. Pass break. Fabia. Easy, Baguette. And here's number 14. Puda. Puda. Corner 3. Off target. Ito na naman ang Team Region 1. Fabia. And 5 minutes, 15 seconds left on the third quarter. 48-38, 10 points lead para sa koponan ng Davao City. Repsul, Sopalpal. And lining up, backdoor inbound for Team Region 1. And long pa outside, number 7. Corner 3, bang! 3 points! Cortez, nagmamadali, lays up. Keeps in. And he stops, 14 pass inside, fires off the glass, Baguette is good. Pass to number 8, Fabia, holds the ball, dribbling the ball, pass on the inside, number 13, so pal ulit. And pass to the corner, drives, basket and 1. Nagkagawan. Number 12, oops, nabitawan. Number 19, tuloy-tuloy. Pinasa, fires off the glass. Baguette is good. Backdoor inbound, bounce pass there. Fires off the glass. Baguette is good. Number 8 here. And pass to the middle. Number 12. Stop, pulls a 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 19, spins. Nakuha ni Querido. Querido. Fires. And a Baguette for 2. And here's number 15, Cortez to Querido. Querido sumisigsag. Stop, pull up, jet 3. Bang! Bullseye. Down. And 8 minutes left for that last quarter. Number 00 dito, Bisaya. Pass to number 14. Kicks out. Fires a 3-ball. Bang! The answer! Pass to Querido. Forges 3. Off target. Querido. Wires off the glass. Bucket is good. Here's Team Davao. Fires a 3-ball. Bam! Again, 3 balls. And the pass break. Binit foul. Basket and 1. And here you go for Team Davao. Long pass there. Eksakto. Libre. Pasok yan. Number 28. Number 14 for Team Davao. Number 10. Pass to number 14. Attacks. Pass inside. Kaldag. Fire. Oh, huli pero di kulong. Oh. Querido nagmamadali. Pass. Oops. Rebound. Pass to number 8. Bumalik. Oops. Spins. Number 7. Pass. Bucket is good. Here's Team Davao. Oop. Natapikan. And number 7. Tuloy-tuloy. Fires off the glass. In and out and in. Pass to number 29. Drives. Fakes. Agawan ni Querido. A chance para ibabang lamang. Querido for 3. Bam! Down to 2. And for the inbound here. Pull up J. Nalibre. Bucket. And back to 4 ang kalamangan para sa Team Davao. Number 8. Fabia sumigsag. Fabia to Cortez to number 4. Querido sa 3. Bam! Querido! Down to 1 ang kalamangan. Oh, nakuha ni Querido. Querido lays for the lead. Querido lead the game. And here you go. Lamang and Querido. And here's Querido again. Querido sumalaksak. Loses the ball. And here you go. Davao City ball possession. And Talas. Number 9 for 3. Bam! For the lead. And it's Team Region 1. Fabia sumigsag. Behind the back dribble. Sumalaksak. Spins. Ball to test hoop. Pass break. And number 19. Easy bucket. That's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team Davao Eagles.